Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and disconnecting HDMI to clear transient faults. This is fast and essential. Once done, keep a Lightning or USB-C cable ready and a computer with the latest iTunes or Finder available. Make sure you know the Apple ID and Wi-Fi credentials because you may need to sign back in after recovery. While you wait 30 to 60 seconds, inspect the ports for debris and bent pins so you don't reconnect to a hardware problem later. You now put the device into recovery by connecting it to your computer with the correct cable. For older Apple TV models, leave power unplugged until instructed. Once connected, open Finder or iTunes and select Apple TV from the device list. The app detects recovery mode automatically. Choose Restore to replace corrupted firmware. This downloads the latest software and wipes the box back to factory state. Stay patient. Downloads can take several minutes depending on speed. After Restore finishes, reconnect power and HDMI and follow the on-screen setup prompts to sign into Apple ID and join Wi-Fi. This reinstates your settings and apps. If the Restore failed or stalls, try swapping cables, using another USB port, or a different computer to rule out host or cable issues. If you still see hardware error codes or repeated failures, escalate to Apple support or an authorized repair, because at that point the issue is likely a failed board or storage component.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.